Hello friends, I'm EdiWako. Today we have breaking news. Terra Classic, LUNC, has been at the root of the crypto market's difficulties since May this year, when the whole Terra Luna ecosystem suddenly collapsed. LUNC is the original Terra Luna coin left over after the Luna crash and the launch of a new Terra chain. For the first few years after launched in 2019, LUNC has been performing well. And, by the end of 2021, it nearly touched $100 and then among the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. As such, its sudden crash has shocked the entire crypto market, with many investors still concerned about whether the price of LUNC will rise again, as the future of this cryptocurrency is undoubtedly crucial in determining if a failed crypto can make a comeback and grow. Will Luna Classic recover? Is there a future for Luna Classic? In this article, we will review Terra Classic, LUNC, coin and dive into the future Terra Luna Classic price prediction for 2025 and 2030 that is made as of the 6th of January 2023. After the Terra crash in May 2022, its founder Do Kwon launched a Terra revival plan, which introduced a new version of Luna. The older crypto, original Luna, is now called Terra Classic, LUNC, and the new launched one is called Luna 2.0, Luna. Both versions of the Luna token can exist. The term Classic most likely refers to the hard fork of Ethereum and Ethereum Classic that occurred after Ethereum's 2017 Decentralized Automated Organization (DAO) breach. As Kwon stated, this seems to be another ploy to promote the UST crash as Terra's DAO hack moment. Terra was developed by Terraform Labs in 2018. Do Kwon and Daniel Shin founded this South Korea-based lab to infuse the best features of a fiat currency and Bitcoin, BTC, into a price-stable coin. It is an open-source blockchain protocol for hosting a dynamic ecosystem of DApps and top-tier development tools. Terra's blockchain carves a path for the next-gen DeFi experience by harnessing a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. In addition to this, Terra is also a payments platform for an algorithmic stablecoin designed to chase the price of a fiat, government-backed currency. The native token, Terra, Luna, was the staking and governance asset of the network. Users stake Luna to earn a place in governance and become validators and earn rewards. Users can also burn Luna to mint Terra's UST token or one tied to their local fiat. However, it's important to note that while these stablecoins are pegged to the value of fiat, they're not backed by fiat. Instead, the Terra Luna cryptocurrency was considered an algorithmic stablecoin. Terra Luna crypto's chief role was to serve the purpose of a counterpart in absorbing price fluctuations of Terra's algorithmic stablecoin, Terra USD, UST. However, on May 9th, the so-called stablecoin UST was unpegged, after nearly 18 months of retaining its value against the US dollar. The decoupling created a chain reaction that led to the collapse of Terra Luna cryptocurrency, UST, and Bitcoin, as well as the more significant crypto sector that has yet to fully recover. While most crypto developers and projects left the blockchain, some community members attempted to bring new life to the network by introducing a scheme that reduces the bloated supply of the token. This year, LUNC community has introduced lots of recovery measures like Terra Luna Classic Burn, new Terra Classic NFT Marketplace and LUNC Penguins NFT, in hopes to push the LUNC price up. Terra Luna Classic Tax Burn is seen as a potential recovery plan for the crashed Terra ecosystem. Actually, many investors believe it is the only thing that can save the coin, which will raise prices by reducing oversupply in the market. By burning the LUNC, holders hope this will increase the scarcity of their coins, pushing the price back towards $1. It was already put to the test in September when Binance and other significant CEXs began burning LUNC tokens, sending the price of $LUNC soaring 60% in just a few hours. Binance implemented a mechanism to destroy the same amount of coins as the fees it collects from trading LUNC. However, the LUNC burn mechanism data still turned out to be underwhelming. Given that there are more than 6.8 trillion tokens in circulation, the burn rate works out to a meager 0.08% of the total LUNC supply. Extrapolating to a reduction of only a few percentage points on an annualized basis, too minuscule to have any measurable impact on the token's hyperinflated supply. Binance's scheme is meaningless in its direct impact. A crypto trader, who goes by the pseudonym of Ogle, commented in a Telegram chat, adding, "At this rate, assuming the volume continued to be as high as now, which I doubt, it would take 15 years to get to the total burn goal." Since its launch in 2019, LUNC's price kept floating around 20 cents and $1.30 until April 2021. When the crypto market boomed in mid-2021, its price began to increase. And it nearly touched $100 by the end of 2021. Then in early 2022, LUNC price kept oscillating between $50 and $100 and reached an all-time high, ATH, of $119.18 on the 5th of April 2022. The next month, its price began to fall and the whole Terra network ecosystem suddenly collapsed in mid-May, with LUNC falling almost to zero. The entire crypto market was adversely affected and lost near $45 billion within a week following the Terra crash, as Bloomberg reported. The crypto market is still very bearish and is likely to remain volatile for the next few months. At press time, Terra Classic price was trading at $0.000150. Terra Classic remains particularly vulnerable. So far, its performance after the crash in May 2022 is not something to celebrate. Well, however, if LUNC trades well in the future, it will be a celebration not only for this particular cryptocurrency, but for many others. The Terra Luna Classic price has fallen by 3.32% in the past 24 hours, dropping to $0.000150 amid a slight dip for the cryptocurrency market as a whole. LUNC's mixed price action in recent weeks has taken place in the context of bear market sentiment and internecine conflict as to how best to support Terra Luna Classic's ecosystem. However, with token burns ongoing and likely to increase in the near future, it looks set to have a good 2023. LUNC's chart remains in a weak position, with the coin equally capable of falling or rising from a technical perspective. Its relative strength index, purple, is hovering around 40, suggesting selling pressure that could continue a while longer before it bottoms out. Similarly, LUNC's 30-day moving average, red, is lingering around its 200-day, blue. Again, this suggests it may be due further falls before it enjoys a concerted rally. Despite this technical uncertainty, LUNC is in a good position to enjoy significant rallies this year. This is mostly because of the positive Luna Classic news of ongoing burns that are taking place on chain and on various crypto exchanges, such as Binance. So far, some 37.1 billion LUNC has been burned, out of a total circulating supply of 6.87 trillion. This may not seem like too much relative to the total supply, but it will continue increasing as the year progresses, especially given the amount of community effort dedicated to increasing the burn rate. For instance, the Terra Luna Classic community is continually producing proposals to burn more LUNC. This includes a recent proposal to halt the reminting of burned tokens, which had been intended to support development work. Other recent proposals include the idea of introducing the ability to enable users to voluntarily burn extra LUNC when withdrawing rewards. Together, such proposals indicate the extent to which the LUNC community is absolutely focused on reducing its supply and boosting its price. Increased development would help LUNC attract more users and provide its network with more utility, which is what will ultimately support its growth in the longer term. As such, it is entirely possible that LUNC may witness a significant price appreciation this year, with a 10x gain taking it to $0.0015. We've covered most of the important things you need to know about LUNC before considering Luna Classic prediction, as well as the detailed market analysis, history price data, and LUNC technical analysis. If you are really interested in investing in the coin, this is the time to be more attentive. Now let's have a look at what different analysts say about the future Terra Classic price prediction in 2025. Telegram predicts a minimum and maximum price for LUNC in 2025 of $0.0089 and $0.028, respectively. Other experts, after analyzing LUNC's previous performance, predict an average price of $0.015 in that year. However, Coinpedia is not optimistic about the future of Luna Classic. According to its Terra Luna Classic price prediction, by 2025, LUNC is expected to trade at a high of $0.00284 and a low of $0.0010994, with an average price of $0.0017776 in the current year. Telegram also continues to be optimistic about LUNC's future in 2030. It predicts that by 2030, LUNC will trade at a high of $5.23 and a low of $1.93, while its average price will remain at $3.11. On the other hand, Bitcoin Wisdom's Luna Classic price prediction 2030 forecasts that the price of LUNC will oscillate between $0.002603 and $0.002834 in 2030. According to the forecast, the average price for that year is $0.002719. Considering the tireless efforts on part of the LUNC community to reduce the token supply and maintain its value in their minds, Terra Classic, LUNC, definitely has bright future prospects. The coin's technical front depicted an increasing buying edge. The bulls must now aim to break the $0.000292 hurdle to claim better chances of the targets aforementioned. However, it is important to keep in mind the risks associated with investing in a project that has been subjected to a major mishap. Should the coin fall prey to pump and dump schemes, the price could plummet in the coming sessions. Investors are advised to keep a close eye on the number of tokens burned alongside the percent of LUNC staked. A growing trend in these fronts may further confirm the current bullish sentiments. We should watch out for how the Terra ecosystem reacts to these developments and whether it can adapt to the emerging trends. These changes will determine whether LUNC can regain the trust of the investors and if Luna Classic can reach $1 again. It is only fair that we conclude this section by sounding the warning that Terra Classic, LUNC, is a highly volatile asset. It is also important that we state that the future of LUNC coin may not follow the predictions here. Just as the coin has a high chance of gaining value in the future, there is a chance that it will drop more over time. You must always be cautious while investing. With the ongoing tokens burning activities, LUNC community is absolutely focused on reducing its supply and boosting its price. We should watch out for how the Terra ecosystem will react to the future developments. These changes will determine whether LUNC can regain the trust of the investors and if Luna Classic can reach $1 again. Terra Classic price prediction forecasts the maximum price LUNC can reach is estimated at $0.007592 by the end of 2024. According to Terra Luna Classic price predictions from the experts, the minimum and maximum LUNC price is expected to be $0.0011 and $0.028 by 2025, with an average price trading at $0.01455. Telegram is optimistic about LUNC's future in 2030. Its LUNC price prediction forecasts that by 2030, LUNC is expected to trade at a high of $5.23 and a low of $1.93. While its average price is estimated at $3.11. You can check our complete guide below to start staking LUNC now. Yes, friends, this is our news today. What are your thoughts? Please do not forget to indicate your opinion in the comment section. Please don't forget to turn on notifications by subscribing to me.